Hello, welcome back to our three-part series of how to trim up your shrubs. In our first episode, I talked about how to trim up shrubs that have larger leaves and how it's important to do more of a selective pruning process as opposed to attacking it with a hedge trimmer. But today we're going to trim up a shrub that has a smaller leaf to it. This is called the Mrs. Schiller's viburnum, and this is pretty much an average size leaf, very small, so I don't have to do selective pruning. I can make this work a lot quicker today. So the rules on this pretty much apply like the first video. We want to make sure that the base of the shrub is a little wider than the top. That's to allow sunlight to get in. In this case, my hedge is running north to south, so actually the sun is coming up on the east side face and setting on the west, like this. But if your hedge is running east to west, then it is definitely important to make sure that your top is a little thinner, base wider, so that light can get down to the bottom, so that you don't lose leaves along the bottom. Don't forget to stop and check your work every now and again, because you might be missing something you didn't see because you might be too focused. Another thing I like to do is sometimes stop a whole section and go work on a completely different area of that one piece, because then when I come back to that place I first started, I may be a little bit more warmed up and I may see stuff I didn't see to begin with. That's it. Took me about a half an hour or so. Actually, I wanted to take a moment to talk about the tool I was using. This is a DeWalt 20 volt max. Lithium battery technology has come a long way. This thing actually will run a good half an hour to 40 minutes. So if you've got a hedge about the size that I just did, 50 feet or so long, and you don't want to pull around extension cords and you don't already have a hedge trimmer, maybe consider one of these, because these are actually quite handy. I do a lot of the work around here with this thing. You'll probably go inside in the middle of summer and drink water before this thing gets tired on you. Thanks for watching.